And Yahweh said to Moses, "Come up to me to the mountain and be there, and I will give to you the tablets of stone and the Torah and the commandments." Most churches today will say that we are only supposed to keep the 10 commandments. That answer is incomplete and therefore misleading. At Sinai, Yahweh gave the entire Torah or law, not only the 10 statements written on stone. The 10 commandments are the foundation, not the whole structure. Immediately after Exodus 20, we read dozens of laws: civil laws, moral laws, worship laws, and social justice laws. For example, laws about rape, restitution, laws about tithes and offerings, etc. None of these are in the 10 commandments, yet Yahweh still calls them his law. Psalm 19, the biggest or largest of the lot, never praises the 10 commandments. It praises all Yahweh's law. So Sinai was not about reducing Yahweh's will to 10 rules. It was about revealing how a holy people are to live by on a daily basis, under a set-apart God. Reducing Sinai to 10 commandments makes obedience optional, and Yahweh never intended that. May Yahweh bless you.